Hi guys, and welcome to Monster Grove. Today, we're going to take a quick look at the horror BAM box for the month. See you soon.
Hi guys, and welcome to Monster Grove. Today we're going to go off and check out the July horror BAM box. We have a list of July's chase items. Stan Lee signed Daredevil #1. Robert Englund signed Nightmare on Elm Street VHS tape. Nal Kaplan signed Naruto mask. Jeffrey Dean Morgan signed baseball bat. Kevin Eastman signed Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle record. Steve Blum signed weapon. And a personalized celebrity shout out video. Oh, there it is. Our first celebrity pin is a pin from the movie Creepshow, and this is Fluffy from The Thing Under the Stairs. It's awesome. It's got some nice detail to it. This is not the glitter variant, and the artist is Nick Kukoza. It's really nice. Next is the July promo card. This is Big Beast Project X Promo 01. They're from the artist Dino D. Showcases the inspired characters from some of his favorite fandoms. And you can collect a box set of them. It's cool. This one's foil. It's nice. Next we have a collectible art print by Tony Vingle for the movie The Funhouse. It's really nice print. It's got some nice details of the killer clown and the entrance to the Funhouse and the actors. It's a fantastic print. I really like this one a lot. There's also an interesting variant for the Funhouse print. It looks really nice. I like that one. It's cool. And last but not least, we have our celebrity autograph of Jimmy Workman, which played Pugsley Addams in the Addams Family movies. And this, of course, is Pugsley with Wednesday Addams. Well, one autograph at a time. It's really a neat autograph. And these are the collectible items that were in the subscription horror BAM box for July 2022. Thanks guys, see you soon.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our review of the horror BAM box. And until next time, stay groovy.